Hi children, good evening. Today we are going to learn verbal problems, means word problems. Before that we learnt basic mathematical operations on those problems which are related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are called basic mathematical operations. Now verbal problems related to this basic operations, what are those? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now first problem. Bharati earned 48,35,500 rupees in a particular year. She spent 39 lakhs 97,860 and saved the rest. How much money did she save? Means here, in one particular year, Bharati earned means she got money by doing the job or by growing the crop or any other business. Now, like that, she earned 48 lakhs 35,500. But in that, how much she spent? 39 lakhs 97,860 she spent. Then, how much she saved? Rest means remaining. Saved the rest. Rest means what? Remaining money she saved in the bank, like that. Now, how much money did she save? Remaining means what we have to do? Subtraction. Here, how much she earned money? 48 lakhs. How much she spent money? 39 lakhs. How much remaining? That is her saving amount. Then for that, what we have to do? Subtraction. Then what are the statements? Solution. First, how much she earned money? 48 lakhs. Then money earned by Bharati. Rupees 48 lakhs 35,500 rupees. How much she spent? Money she spent. Rupees 39 lakhs 97,860 rupees she spent. What she did remaining money? She saved that money. Then saved money is equal to what we have to do? Subtraction. Now 0 minus 0, 0. Take 0, 6 cut, not possible. Then we have to take borrow. 0 become 10, 5 become 4. Take 10, cut 6, 4. Take 4, cut 8. It is not possible. Then go for borrow. Then 4 become 14, 5 become 4. 14 minus 8. 8 after you have to count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 6. Next. Take 4, cut 7. It is not possible. Then again we go for borrow. 14. 3 become 2. 14 minus 7. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? 7. Next, take 2, cut 9. Not possible. Again borrow. 2 become 12. 8 become 7. 12 minus 9. 9 after. 10, 11, 12. 3. Take 7, 9, cut. Not possible. Again borrow. 17. 4 become 3. 17 minus 9. 9 after. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 8. 3 minus 3, 0. Then how much saved her saved money? How much? 8 lakhs 37,640. She saved 8 lakhs 37,640 rupees. Next question. Jessica buys 2,565 boxes of cocoa seeds. How much does she pay if each box is priced at 375 rupees? Then cocoa seeds she bought. Then one box cost how much? 375 rupees. How much cost of one cocoa seeds box? 375. Like that, how many she bought? 2,565 boxes she bought. Then if you pay 375, they will give 2565 boxes. Only one box they will give. If you pay 2 times 375, two boxes they will give. Like that, he needs 2565 boxes. For that, how much she has to pay to that shopkeeper? One box 300. Then she wants to buy 2565 boxes. Then how much money she has to pay? Then if you pay 375 rupees, you will get only one box. Suppose 750, then you will get two boxes. Then how much you have to pay to get 2565 boxes? Means we have to do the multiplication. Means one given, more boxes cost is asking, then we have to multiply. One given, more asking means we have to do the multiplication. Now, what is the solution? Number of boxes. How many boxes are there? 2565. Cost of each box. Cost of each means what? One box. Rupees 375. Then if you pay 375, you will get only one. But how much you have to pay for 2565 boxes means we have to do the multiplication. Now, cost of 2565 boxes is equal 2565 into 375 rupees. Now 2565 into 375. 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. Next 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42. Next 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. First, here 4 digit with 3 digit. First we have to multiply with ones digit. What is the ones digit? 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 down, 2 carry. 5 sixes are 30 plus 2, 32. 32 means 2 down, 3 carry. 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 8 down, 2 carry. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Next we have to go for tens digit. Then tens digit, when you start the tens digit, in ones digit we have to put the cross. 7 fives are 35. 5 down, 3 carry. 7 sixes are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. 5 down, 4 carry. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 9 down, 3 carry. 7 twos are 14 plus 3, 17. Next, hundreds digit we have to do now with that number with the hundreds digit. Then we have to put ones place cross and tens place cross. 3 fives are 15. 5 down, 1 carry. 3 sixes are 18 plus 1, 19. 9 down, 1 carry. 3 fives are 15 plus 1, 16. 6 down, 1 carry. 3 twos are 6, 1, 7. 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5, 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8 down, 1 carry. 9, 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 2, 1, 3. 3, 7, 10. 10 plus 6, 60. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. 9,61,875. Then she has to pay 9,61,875 to get 2,565 boxes. She has to pay rupees 9,61,875 rupees. Now what he given? He given one girl, Jessica, wants to buy cocoa seeds. Then one box how much? 375. But she need how many boxes? 2,565. Then 2,565 boxes, how much she has to pay to shopkeeper? That means one given, more asking, means we have to do the multiplication. Then 2,565 boxes into each box cost. Then 375. Then how much she has to pay? 9,61,875 rupees she has to pay.